The world of high-end computing is shifting, and the device currently sitting on your desk might be about to become obsolete. Welcome to TapTech, where today we are uncovering the most significant leak in the history of mobile workstations. We are talking about the Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra, a device that isn't just a tablet update, but a total declaration of war against the traditional laptop. If you think you've seen everything the Ultra line has to offer, you need to pay very close attention to what is coming in 2026. Samsung has reportedly moved past incremental upgrades and is now aiming for a level of power that should make every MacBook Pro user nervous. We have spent weeks cross-referencing supply chain leaks from South Korea and Taiwan to bring you the most authentic look at a device that is set to redefine the premium tech market. Stick with us until the very end of this deep dive, because the final piece of news regarding the new Neural DeX system changes the value proposition of this tablet entirely. If you are considering an upgrade this year, skipping this information could be a very expensive mistake. Let's start with the physical transformation of this machine. For the last few generations, the Ultra has been defined by its massive 14.6-inch footprint. But it always carried one compromise that tech enthusiasts hated: the notch. For the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra, the leaks are unanimous. The notch is dead. Samsung is finally ready to deploy its second-generation under-display camera technology on a mass scale. Unlike the early versions we saw on foldables, this new UDC 2.0 system uses a specialized pixel subgrid that makes the camera completely invisible to the naked eye while maintaining high-fidelity video call quality. This gives you a literal sheet of glass from edge to edge, creating the most immersive canvas ever put on a mobile device. To support this massive display, Samsung is moving to a Grade 5 titanium frame. This isn't just for aesthetics. By switching from aluminum to titanium, Samsung has managed to shave significant weight off the chassis while increasing structural rigidity by nearly 40%. At just over 5 millimeters thick, this device is thin enough to slip into a folder, yet strong enough to survive the rigors of professional travel without the risk of bending. Underneath that titanium shell lies the real story. The Tab S12 Ultra will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 for Galaxy. This chipset is a custom-binned silicon designed specifically for the thermal envelope of a large-screen tablet. While smartphones have to throttle performance due to heat, the massive surface area of the S12 Ultra allows this chip to run at its peak clock speeds for much longer periods. But the hardware specification that is truly shocking the industry is the memory. Internal documents suggest a flagship configuration featuring 24 GB of LPDDR5X RAM. To put that into perspective, that is triple the memory found in many base-model professional laptops. In a world where AI processing is moving from the cloud to the device, this RAM capacity is a necessity. It allows the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra to run complex large language models and generative art tools entirely offline, ensuring total privacy and instantaneous response times. This leads us to the most significant software evolution in Samsung's history: the transition from standard DeX to what insiders are calling Neural DeX. For years, DeX has been a great secondary feature, but Neural DeX is a complete reimagining of the desktop interface. Powered by the dedicated NPU in the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2, this system intelligently manages your workspace based on your behavior. If you are a video editor, the system automatically allocates maximum resources to your rendering engine while tucking background tasks into a low-power state. It features a new window management system that feels more fluid than Windows 11 or Mac OS, allowing for true multitasking without the mobile-first limitations that have held tablets back for a decade. Imagine connecting this to a 5K monitor and having it instantly transform into a workstation that rivals a dedicated desktop, all while staying completely silent because of its fanless vapor chamber cooling system. The display technology is also taking a massive leap forward. Samsung is reportedly moving to a tandem OLED structure, similar to what we've seen in high-end automotive displays and the latest elite tablets. By stacking 2 layers of organic light-emitting diodes, the Tab S12 Ultra can hit a peak brightness of 2500 nits. This makes it the first professional-grade tablet that is truly usable in direct sunlight for color-accurate work. Whether you are a photographer reviewing shots on location in the US or a designer working from a bright studio in London, the color accuracy and HDR performance of this panel will be unmatched. The refresh rate is also getting an ultra tweak, with an LTPO panel that can scale from 1 Hz all the way to 144 Hz, providing ultra-smooth scrolling while sipping power when you are just reading text or looking at a static image. Of course, the S Pen remains the soul of the experience, but for 2026, it is getting a haptic upgrade. The new S Pen Pro 3 features an internal piezoelectric motor that mimics the feeling of different textures. When you select a charcoal tool in your drawing app, the pen will vibrate with a specific frequency to make it feel like you are dragging coal across a rough canvas. If you switch to a fountain pen, the resistance changes to feel like ink flowing over smooth paper. With a latency of just over 1 millisecond, the line between digital and physical creation has officially vanished. This level of hardware and software integration is why the Tab S12 Ultra is being positioned as a pro device first and a tablet second. Battery life and connectivity are the final pieces of the puzzle. To keep that 14.6-inch tandem OLED running all day, Samsung is packing in a 12,200 mAh cell. But the bigger news for the US and European markets is the jump to 80W wired charging. We have spent years waiting for Samsung to catch up in charging speeds, and 2026 is the year it finally happens. You will be able to get a 50% charge in about 25 minutes. Which is a game changer for anyone who uses their tablet for heavy production work. Furthermore, the inclusion of Wi-Fi 7 and a dedicated 5G mmWave antenna ensures that whether you are in a crowded stadium or a remote office, your connection speeds will stay in the gigabit range. We are looking at an official reveal in late 2026, with a starting price point that reflects its ultra status. At an estimated $1,290, it is an investment. But for those who need the ultimate in mobile productivity, there is simply no alternative on the horizon. The Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is the culmination of years of engineering, moving from a media consumption device to a literal powerhouse that fits in your backpack. Thank you for joining us for this exclusive look at the future of technology here on TapTech. We want to know your thoughts. Is 24 GB of RAM in a tablet overkill? Or is it exactly what you've been waiting for to finally ditch your laptop? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this deep dive valuable, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss a beat in the fast-paced world of tech. We will see you in the next one. This elite machine truly represents the absolute pinnacle of modern mobile engineering and design innovation.